Oh, that's terrific.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
That's really nice. I can't wait to see it in the living room. Either an engagement gift or a wedding gift for my parents. So either way, it's older than I am, and I'm 86. It's at least a year older than me, or even maybe 2 years older than me. So I finally was able to pry this away from my mother, because she was not very good at giving anything to anybody. But I thought I would use this when I had company. We'd make coffee in the drip coffee pot, put it in here, and you can use this, to serve. Well, there's something wrong in the mechanism, and it was leaking. And my husband went to a number of places, and you couldn't find spare parts for it. There was no way to repair it. So I was never able to use it like I had wanted to. I thought this would be a great thing, having a crowd of people. Everybody could just go over, take a cup of coffee. So it just stood on the shelf. This is great.
And I did the thing like I told you I was going to do.
I didn't put my finger up that and go
So
that. That is terrific. That is so apropos.
I screwed so I did the little finial thing inside there. I epoxied it in. So this was the coffee pot top.
Yeah.
So now you can use it for your
That's awesome.
for your lampshade.
You think like I think.
Yeah, it came out nice.
Standing on a shelf in my, I have a piece of furniture that has shelves, and just standing there is just because it was a nice looking piece to stand on a shelf. But I thought, at this point, who's going to want to inherit something to stand on a shelf? If I made it into a lamp, everyone's going to want it. And I always wanted to make it into I thought it would make a beautiful lamp. So I decided to go ahead and do it. And when I told my son, he said, hey, that's a really neat idea. Told my daughter, she said, do you need another lamp? And I told my one grandson, he said, oh, I hope I inherit that. So I may even give it to him before I die if I decide I have enough lamps and he has a place for it. I think this way it will live on, and now there's a history with it. So that makes it even better yet.